Әміз балай 31-ні дәс қараңа success story. Alright, so let me ask a question. So can you guess who they are and what they are? Okay, can you guess who they are? Әмісі сағалашылы қараңа, әмісі бұлар кім досылар анша? Қайсы кішілер ма біріншісі? Бұл Sam Walton. Okay, Sam Walton. Sam Walton'ın to'ramsizlar bolalar kim o bu? O'rnida kechkinsa balki men ma'lum bo'lishi mumkin. Oldindan belgisi bor ekanmi? Bu nima Steve Jobs. Okay, Steve Jobs. And bu Sam Walton kim o desanglar, founder of Walmart. Okay, do you know this? Okay. Walmart'ın qamsizlar bolalar? Walmart hisobda dunyodagi eng chong zanjirsimon tallob bozori. Nima tallob bozori? Supermarket. Walmart supermarket. Ishdami? Walmart supermarket. And this king's okay, Steve Jobs, CEO of Apple company, also the founder of Apple, okay, company. Okay, I'm saying company deganimiz nima? Shirkat. Demak, hamda olma shirkatining nimasi? Qurg'uvchisi. Xo'sh, you know, Sam Walton is successful. Can you guess what his first job? Okay. Do you know his first job? And Sam Walton intan muvaffaqiyat qozongan hamda shu karxonchi hamda bu Walmart desa hamda dunyodagi eng chong tanlov bozori. Aniqdan mushta tunji xizmatdan nimaligini fahmsizlar vallah. Okay, it's, you know, he worked as a shop assistant in a small shop. And the tunji xizmat bo'lsin bersanlar, bir kichik do'konda qanday qilgan shop assistant prikazchik bo'lib ishlagan bolalar. Okay. Demak, eng shu kichik do'konga prikazchik bo'lishdan keyin dunyodagi eng chong tanlovlarning qurg'uvchisiga aylangan-chu. Demak, hamda buni tunji xizmat nima? Okay, shop assistant. Shop assistant in there. What can I do for you? Do'konchilar, what can I do for you? Men sizga nima qilib beraman? Nima qilib beraman? Nima? What can I do for you? What about? Can you guess what Steve Jobs' first job was? Do you know his first job? You know, he worked for a computer company. He was employed in a computer company. And the Steve Jobs nima desanglar, bir kompyuter shirkatida ishlagan. And the employ deganimiz nima desanglar? Shu yerda yollanib ishlagan. Demak, hamda bir kompyuter shirkatida qanday qilgan yollanib ishlagan. So they have a really long road to success, right? Sizlarning ham mushuningki, mush muvaffaqiyat qozonishga intayt uzoq bir yo'l ketgan, shundaymi? So today we will learn a story about how a successful man began in business. So, new words first. Allah shu yangi so'zlarni bir o'rganib chiqaylik, sog'lashlar. Ana qaranglar. Avaylimdiroq Steve Jobs'ning nima ishlagan Apple company, shunami Apple company. Okay, misharga company deganimiz nima? Sanlar shirkat degan gap. Company. O'qibanglar. Company. Okay, company. And the company ilgari nima deb o'rgangan? Sanlar firm. Okay, firm degan nima? Sanlar shu shirkat degan gap. You know, it's a CEO of Apple company. And the misharga CEO degan nim degan gap desanlar Chief Executive Officer. Chief deganimiz asosliq yoki bosh yoki oliy degan gap. Executive ijroiya, ijro qiladigan, boshqaradigan officer amaldori. Demakchi bosh ijroiya amaldori. Demak, hamda shu shirkatni boshqargan eng oliy darajalik qo'mondoni, oliy darajalik boshqaruvchisi degan gap-chu hamda. Boshqaruvchisi. Okay. You know, they booted him out of the company for not working. Okay. And shu olma shirkati dastlab qurilganda, bular bir kichik guruh bo'lib, shu dadasniki garage, mashin to'xtatgan uyda qanday qilgan desanglar, boshlagan. Keyin undan mablag' sag'ishlarni jalb qilib, hamda bu payni mablag' sag'ishlarga taqatgan. Keyin undan Steve Jobs yetishib bo'lmay qanday qilgan desanglar, buningga aytib qobil bo'lgan CEOdan birini, boshqaruvchidan birini taklif qilgan-chu. Taklif qilib, o'zi hamda texnik bo'lim mas'ul bo'ldi. Bundan keyin undan bu boshqaruvchisi, bu boshqaruvchini Pepsi shirkatining qabul qildi hamda. Keyin undan bu shu paychiqlar bilan hamkorlashib, buni Steve Jobsni olma shirkatidan qo'g'lab chiqardi. O'ylab baqing, o'zi qurgan shirkatdan endi o'zi qo'g'lanish nihoyatda bir nima deymiz endi, nihoyatda bir ichinishliq, ig'ir bir ish qo'y endi. Shuni ham yarga booted him. And boot somebody out deganimiz. Sanli shu tepib chiqarib o'tish degan gap, ha. Okay, boot. Boot deganimiz nima? O'tikmi shu o'tik bilan tepib ham qanday o'tish, chiqarib o'tish. Okay. Demak endi Steve Jobs qanday qiladi? Endi Steve Jobsning tunji qizi bilan nima bo'lgan ekan? Okay, he employed in yoki he worked for a computer company. Yoki he was employed in computer company. Demak endi bu shu kompyuter shirkatiga bir kompyuter shirkati uchun ishlagan yoki shuningda xizmat qilgan yoki shuningga yollanib ishlagan degan gap, employ. Demak endi Steve Jobsning dastlab qismida shu, ya'ni shu kompyuter bilan munosabatlik. Endi savodashlar musharaka employee bilan employer. Endi employee deganimiz shu yollanib ishlaydigan xonimni employer bo'lsa, shu yollovchi. Shu xo'jayin o'zini nima deymiz? Employer. Okay, employer. Employee, employer. Okay, employee, employer. Andaqda keyingi qanarisanlar retire. Okay, retire. Qaranglar, men sizni manda aytsangiz, men read degan qayta degan gap qo'yamda. Masalan, review bo'lsin bo'ldi. Ya, manda takror qilmoq. Read degan qayta, view degan ko'rmay. Qayta ko'rgandan o'zi takror qilish bo'ladi. Retire degan qayta tire deganimiz erib ketmak. Sizlar qayta erib ketaversanlar ishlar o'tib qana qilsa, oy pensiyaga chiqqanda aytishindami? Demak, endi qilib qolganda pensiyaga chiqadi. Demak, retire deganimiz pensiyaga chiqmoq. Okay, amsa u o'tgan yil shirkatdan pensiyaga chiqdi degan nima deymiz hozir? Deymiz he retired from the company last year. He retired from the company last year. Okay, and he's getting old. He is going to retire. Okay, and qirishq boshladi yoki qirib ketib bordi. And shu u qanaqa qilmoqchi? He is going to retire. And u pensiyaga chiqmoqchi. He is going to retire. Okay. And the keyingisi nima deyapsanlar? Workshop. Okay, a workshop. Do you know what the workshop is? A workshop is a room or building where the tools and machines are used for making things. And the sixth appointment, and the workshop, the name is workshop. Workshop. Okay. And that over chocolate is bir sixth deydi. Mesela this is a chocolate workshop. Bu bo'lsa chocolate workshop. Demakchi bu yerda shokolad yasaydi degan gap, tushunami? Okay. Masalan, the workers are making spare parts for airplanes in a workshop. Endi bu sexda bu ishchilar mush aeroplanning zapchastlarini qanday qilyapti? Yasayapti. Demak, workers are making spare parts for airplanes in a workshop. Okay. Next one is save. Buni savid. What's up? Save. Okay, save deganimiz saqlamoq. Masalan, biz kompyuterimizda masalan, Word'ni ishlatib, saqlash buyruqi bo'lsin degan shu nima desanlar, shu save degan buyruq. Save means to keep something, especially money, for use in the future. And the machine can pull bir narsani saqlash, yig'ish bo'lsin nima desanlar, save. Masalan, pul yig'moq bo'lsa, save money. Okay? Save money. And the Tom Arab qanday qildi o'ziniki pachprat pullarini yig'di. Masalan, Tom saves his pocket money every week. And saves his pocket money every week. Mana Arabda o'ziniki pachprat pullari, and the pocket money deganimiz nima desanlar, yanchiq pul deyishunami? Yanchiq pul shu pachprat pul, butun pul emas, shunami? Okay. Masalan, he saved for years to buy a car. Masalan, he saved money for years to buy a car. And bir mashina sotib olish uchun u bir necha yil qanday qildi? Pul yig'di. Okay. Endi qaranglar savolashim, shu ekrandagi so'zlarning qaysisi yo'qolib ketib bordi? Bu so'zlarni bir o'qib o'tinglar. Retire. Okay, retire. Pensiyaga chiqma. Helper. Okay, helper deganimiz nima edi? Yordamchi, shunami? Bicycle. Okay, bicycle deganimiz velosiped. Save, жығмақ. Workshop, sex, grandson, nevresi, nevre degende grandson deymiz. Employ, şu yallamak, yallanıp işlemek. Company, şirket. All right, which one is missing? Helper, right? Which one is missing? Qaysi seslanacak? Okay, employ. Which one is missing? Yeah, retire. Which one is missing? Okay, it's a workshop. Which one is missing? Bicycle. Which one is missing? Qaysi? Yeah, grandson. Which one is missing? Yeah, employer. Which one is missing? Save. Degandek, huh? Good job. So look. So what was Frank's first job? Frank'ın silahına üçüncü hizmeti neydi? İşxanda o'tirishma, yoki mashina remont qilishma, yoki velosiped remont qilishma. Okay. So I guess it's repairing bicycle, right? So first listen and answer these questions. All right. And so understand what you tafsili bir anlap bo'lgandek bir javobini bersan.
Lesson 31. Success Story. First listen and then answer the question. What was Frank's first job? Yesterday afternoon, Frank Hawkins was telling me about his experiences as a young man. Before he retired, Frank was the head of a very large business company, but as a boy, he used to work in a small shop. It was his job to repair bicycles, and at that time he used to work 14 hours a day. He saved money for years, and in 1958 he bought a small workshop of his own. In his 20s, Frank used to make spare parts for airplanes. At that time, he had 2 helpers. In a few years, the small workshop had become a large factory which employed 728 people. Frank smiled when he remembered his hard early years and the long road to success. He was still smiling when the door opened and his wife came in. She wanted him to repair their grandson's bicycle.
All right. So what was Frank's first job? Frank's tunji xizmatini bersa arkadaşlar. What was it? Yeah, his first job was to repair bicycles. And onun tunji xizmati mushu velosiped remont qilish. Onun tunji xizmati qanaqa qilish? Velosiped remont qilish. Okay, next question. So what has his small shop become? Hamda onunki kichik tukuna nimaga aylandi oxiri? Factory mi? It's a large factory and cho'ng bir zavodga aylandi, shunami? So Frank's been successful, hasn't he? Mush Frank intayin muvaffaqiyat qozondi, shundaqmi? Yes or no? Yes, he has. He's very successful. All right, answer textga bir nazar sapaqayli. Yesterday afternoon, Frank Hawkins was telling me about his experiences as a young man. Okay. Tunugun tushdan keyin Frank Hawkins mana o'zininki yosh vaqtlaridagi as a young man, yashash vaqtlaridagi hamda experience tajribalarini so'zlab beryapti. Okay. Frank is the head of a very large business company. Okay. And the Frank hozir bo'lsa intan yo'g'on bo'lgan bir savdo shirkatininki the head of deganimiz shuni 5 yo'lboshchisi, xo'jayini degan gap. But as a boy, biroq u kichik vaqtida he used to work in a small shop. And u bir kichik bir shirkatda ishlagan edi. It was his job to repair bicycle. Onunki xizmati shu velosiped remont qilish edi. At that time, he used to work 14 hours a day. Aynı vaqtda hamda o kuniga 14 soatlab ishlaydi. He saved money for years, and in 1938 he bought a small workshop of his own. Okay. Hamda o necha yillab pul yig'ib 1938 kelganda he bought bir kichik bo'lgan sexdan birini o'ziga tava bo'lgan sexdan birini qanday qildi? Sotib oldi. During the war, Frank used to make spare parts for airplanes. And then musho urush vaqtida, masalan dunyo urushlari vaqtida u musho aeroplanlar zapchastlarini yasagan. At that time, he had two helpers. By the end of the war, the small workshop had become a large factory, which employed 728 people. And the bushu urushdan oxirida bu kichik sex bir yo'g'on zavod qaylangan. O 728 728 adamni ishiltirgan. Yo'q 728 adam ishiltirish oson emas. So Frank smiled when he remembered his hard early years and long road to success. And Frank ayni vaqtdagi jafoliq yillarni hamda muvaffaqiyatga qatnashib bo'lgan uzoq yo'lni eslaganda kulimsirdi. He was still smiling when the door opened and his wife came in. Uning ayoli kirib eshikni ochganda u texcha kulimsirayotdi. Kulga uning chiroyida jilmayotdi. She wanted him to repair their grandson's bicycle. O o'zininki, navrasiniki o'zidan ibot qilib edi. Demak, endi bir oddiy bir tushunib o'tib qoldi. Hamda shu darsimizniki language focus. Shundan qaralama, shundan intayin muhim bu nuqtalar. Language focus. Okay, first one. In 1958, he bought a small workshop of his own. And misharik of his own, of someone's own deganimizni ma'risanlar. Ma'lum birsiniki, yoki ma'lum birsiga tava. Okay, of someone's own. Demek o'ziniki. Masalan, Mr. Smith has a car of his own. Demek uning o'ziniki, naq o'ziga tava bir mashinasi bor. Okay, Mr. Smith has a car of his own. Has a car of his own. Okay. Amsa, o o'ziga tava bo'lgan bir uyni setib oldi. She bought a house of her own. Okay, endi miyarga ayollar bo'lgani of her own. Demak, u o'ziga tava bo'lgan, o'ziniki. Demak, endi someone's own bo'lsa, shunga tava degan gap. Masalan, Mary lives in America on her own. Endi miyarga on her own degani by herself. Demakchi, o'zi yolg'iz, o'zilam, tikandek yolg'iz degan gap. On one's own deganimiz nima? By oneself. Okay, masalan, I live in America by my own. Men Amerikada o'zim yolg'iz turman degan gap. I live in this house by myself. By myself bo'lsa, men o'zim yolg'iz. Okay, endi ikkinchisi. Endi ikkinchisi qarasak, ikkinchisini deb qo'ysanlar, Frank used to make spare parts for airplanes. Endi bu yerga in his 20s. Endi bu in his 20s deganimiz in one's 20s degani uni 20 yoshlarda. Okay. Shu 20 yoshlarda degani ham shu 20 necha yosh, ya 21 tadi 29 bir endi bu 20 yoshlar atrofida ekan, shu 20 necha yoshlar atrofida. Masalan, in one's 30s, 30 necha yoshlar atrofida. Naq 30 yosh emas, jumum yara. Degandek hamda. Qaranglar, Mr. Johnson went abroad in his 40s. Mr. Johnson efendim o chet elga o'zining 40 yoshlarida qanday qilgan desanlar, chet elga chiqqan. Okay. Ondan sonra yana boshqa nima aytsam, in 1980s deganimiz hamda o'sha 20-asrning 80-yillari. 80-yillar deganimiz hamda bu bir doir vaqt bildirarga 80-yillar bo'lmaydi. Shu 80-yillardan tarix 90-yillargacha 10 yil atrofidagi shu vaqtni 80-yillar deymiz arkadaşlar. Mesela 20. asırın 90. yılları şu Cumhur'da gayet zor, alem şumul özgürlükler oldu. Ne mi şunu? Mesela in the 1990s, great changes took place in China. Great changes took place in China. Demek ki gayet zor özgürlükler Cumhur'da yüz verdi. Hoş şemse, ama şimdi bir retail bakaylı sağlaşlar. Mesela ne diyeyim? Frank Hawkins was telling me a story about his past experiences, his experiences as a young man. Degende ben şu nimsinler göncensinler da bir asla qağına özanlar bir meşqi qaşnım qısanlar young man. Yani before he retired, Frank was ahead of blah blah blah blah blah blah. But as a boy, he used to do what?